Welcome to a Workz360 tutorial. In this video, we are going to highlight the basic app features that every user should know in order to be successful on Workz360. Once you've registered in the app, the home page will be the first thing that you see when you log in and open up the app. You can see where you are in the app from the bottom banner. Right now, the green home icon is selected, so let's start here. The home icon is going to show you a summary of the work you've completed, all the hours you've worked so far, as well as your total earnings within the app within a given time frame. You can select the time frame you'd like to see by clicking on this drop-down. The home page is all about helping you manage your work. You can see all of the work that you've been scheduled for, the work that you've put offers on, as well as the work that you've been invited to. Now, let's explore how you actually find work. Click on the briefcase icon on the bottom bar. You'll notice that the app will bring you to a search bar, and this is where you're going to find work. Opportunities will auto-populate for you based on the skills and the commute radius that you've assigned for yourself while registering. However, you can also search based off of keywords to find the work that you're looking for. If you're not seeing the type of work that fits your skills, don't worry, you can always go back into your profile and edit these settings. Now, let's go through an example of what you will see on a work opportunity. When you click on an opportunity, the customer will provide for you the following details: the customer name, the start date, the pay, any required materials, and a brief description of the work needing to be completed. You will also see a general work location as well as any additional skills or requirements. Let's move on to the part of the app we call Connect. Workz360 is all about empowering independent professionals who use our application, so we created a space just for you. You can interact with other independent professionals and find helpful information on business resources. This is where you can share your knowledge, your stories. You can share links to helpful articles or videos, as well as images. You can also engage on other posts through comments, creating a discussion within your community. Workz360 included the option to send direct messages to other independent professionals and start conversations here. Workz360 has also provided a list of resources to help you get ahead while you're working for yourself or while you're starting your own business. We include things like frequently asked questions, business services, training, the Workz360 rewards program, the Workz360 referral program, and helpful videos just like this one. We provided an in-depth video for this part of the app, which can be located under helpful videos.